wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
The platform, as you well know, is an annual gathering of Nigerian Muslims organized by the National Council of Nigerian Muslim Organizations.
We thank Almighty Allah for His blessings upon us, inshallah. From day one, when we established a platform, which was in 2001.
The program started December 2001.
Our vision actually was to train our kids and to give them something about Islam, so that they would be proud about Islam and they will have Islamic identity. We do not want them to pick up bad things in the United States. There's so many good things in the United States, and we want them to pick up that good things. However, we want to add Islam to them so that they can be proud of it. And alhamdulillah, since 2001, we added little bit, and we think that our kids and children, they are getting the message, and inshallah, they began to be proud of Islam. Alhamdulillah, our children, they began to recognize Islam, to accept Islam, at the same time to practice Islam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا.
تكبير الله. Chicago Sister Atiya Ibrahim.
Islamic religion has been taken to another level. It's been fun, it's been educative, it's been thrilling, it's been amazing. Seeing 14, 15-year-old boys and girls memorizing the Quran is amazing. So I really thank God for the organizers. I really thank God for the National Council of Nigerian Muslim Organization, USA. They are doing a good job.
Because Islam is a message of peace, and if they can live peacefully with themselves, with their family, with their environment, with their community, at their school, and anywhere they are working, then they will be a better human being, and they will be a better American citizen and a Muslim citizen. And that's all what we want for them. And alhamdulillah, since 2001, we have a lot of improvement. We hope that we will continue with that, inshallah.
In platform, this is a program with a huge potential of success. Bringing 500, 600, 800 people together in one place, coming with the intention for learning and interacting and benefiting themselves. I mean, this is a program with a huge potential. So, as professionals, we think we have some input, we have some contribution to make things better. And this is my motivation for participating in this organization.
That at least 1/3 of our children will be people that will be having terminal degrees, like JD, MD, PhD, DSc, DDS, PharmD, and so on and so forth. All those degrees that have nice D's in them, DPT, and so on. So that they have doctorate degrees, essentially.
Salaam alaikum, brother.
Wa alaikum salam to Allah.
What's your name?
Kamaldeen.
Allahu Akbar. Which chapter are you from?
I'm from Dallas.
You're from Dallas?
Yeah.
Have you ever been to any of this platform program before?
No, this is my first time.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
How did you know about platform?
In our mocks, they told me about platform that is always fun and exciting, and you get to meet friends and have mixed with others from different states. So I decided to come this year.
Allahu Akbar. Salam alaikum, sister.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What's your name?
Sophia Lawal.
Allahu Akbar. Which chapter are you from?
California.
California, Hollywood. Now, before now, you've heard about platform program, right?
Yes.
Have you been able to go to any of them before now?
No.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
That is awesome. Now, tell us something that you learn in this program that makes you really happy.
In the lecture, I learned about the 10 companions and how we should copy them to know about Iman. So, and I also learn about to be tolerant with people and to be patient, that everyone's not like you.
Because the program is yours, and we want you to be able to advise and inform all your friends about the beauties of this program, about the good things that you find in it. Even though there's nothing that's good that don't have a little bit of dark in it, but that's for that. We should always look at the good side of it and project that to a friend. So next year, we'll be inshallah to double our attendance this year.
Collective teamwork from the National Planning Committee for Platform, as well as the local chapter. We should not be afraid of working well together to execute and try something new. That's what we have done here. And many other things to come, inshallah, as we try to look at how we're going to move our organization forward on a go-forward basis.
Like they say, you fail to plan, you plan to fail. What we did was to actually commit a lot of time and effort into the planning, so that execution will now become much easier for us. And that's what I would say contributed largely to the success.
We have to anticipate what is going to happen to these kids. How do we want to lead these kids? How far do we want them to go? We want them to be good citizens of Nigeria and the United States. So the thing is, we have to think 5-10 years ahead, not now. So that's the reason why I consult with elders and I consult with little kids as well. How can we do it so that we will have a huge success? Alhamdulillah, we're not there yet, but we pray Allah will be there someday.